Hello pass holders! The new Merlin annual pass range is now digital, meaning you don't have to worry about forgetting your annual pass. You can simply scan your digital pass on your phone when visiting the attractions. Let's run through how it works. After purchasing your Discovery, Gold or Platinum pass, you'll receive an email with a link to your digital pass. Simply click View Tickets and your digital pass will appear. But be sure to save this email so that you can easily access your digital pass at any time. If you're an iPhone user, you can add your digital pass to your iPhone wallet like this. And if you're an Android user, don't worry, this feature will also be coming to you very soon. You can then go ahead and pre-book your tickets using the barcode on your digital pass. You do not need to wait for your physical annual pass to arrive. When you arrive at the attraction, make sure you have your digital pass ready to scan when you reach the turnstiles. Please also have your pre-booked ticket reservation ready, as the team will need to check this too. And that's it! I hope you found this video useful. And if you haven't already, be sure to check out the How to Pre-Book Your Tickets video. And otherwise, enjoy your next epic adventure with Merlin Annual Pass.